Looking for the best dash cam in 2025 to capture every mile of your journey? Whether you're hunting for a budget-friendly option, the best 4K dash cam, or a front and rear setup for ultimate coverage, this video is for you. With car safety becoming a top priority, a reliable dash cam can provide crucial evidence during accidents, ensure peace of mind, and even lower insurance premiums. From cutting-edge mirror dash cams to robust models perfect for rideshare drivers, we've tested and reviewed the top dash cams of 2025 to help you make the right choice. Stay tuned to discover the 5 best dash cams that combine quality, affordability, and advanced features. Let's dive in. You can find links to all the products featured in this video in the description below. For a more in-depth analysis and comparison tools, visit our website at bestpickzone.com. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay informed. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. If you're looking for the best dash cam in 2025 for superior clarity and functionality, this 4K front and rear dash cam ticks all the boxes. Its ultra-crisp 4K resolution and 170 degrees wide-angle lenses ensure you capture every detail on the road. The built-in GPS tracks speed and location, while the 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes sharing footage seamless. The 3.39-inch IPS screen is easy to navigate, and the voice control feature lets you operate hands-free. This dashcam excels at night vision with its WDR technology, delivering clear footage even in low-light conditions. A supercapacitor replaces traditional batteries for improved durability in extreme weather. The 24-hour parking monitor ensures your vehicle is secure even when parked, and the Type-C port ensures fast data transfer. Bundled with a free 64 GB SD card, this dashcam offers great value. Its intuitive design and premium features make it a top contender for anyone seeking a reliable dual dash camera for cars. The WOLFBOX G840S is redefining the best dash cam in 2025 by combining a 12-inch smart rearview mirror with state-of-the-art dashcam functionality. The 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera deliver crystal-clear images, ensuring no blind spots in your recordings. This device is a standout for its sleek design and multifunctionality. The 2160p Full HD resolution offers superior detail, while the built-in GPS ensures accurate tracking of speed and location. Night driving is worry-free with its enhanced night vision technology. The integrated parking assistance feature makes reversing safer and more convenient, a boon for cars and trucks alike. With an included 32 GB card, easy setup, and intuitive interface, the WOLFBOX G840S is perfect for drivers who value innovation and style. Its unique mirror design offers a futuristic alternative to traditional dash cams. The REDTIGER dash cam combines affordability with performance, making it a strong contender for the best dash cam in 2025. Its 4K front camera and 2.5K rear camera deliver sharp, high-definition footage, ensuring clarity even in critical moments. This dash cam features a compact 3.16-inch IPS screen, offering effortless navigation. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows easy video sharing, and the built-in GPS provides detailed route tracking. Its 170 degrees wide-angle lenses cover more of the road, while the WDR technology ensures clear visuals in varying lighting conditions. Equipped with 24-hour parking monitoring and night vision capabilities, this dash cam is designed for security and reliability. The inclusion of a 32 GB card makes it ready to use straight out of the box. For drivers who want a versatile and dependable option, the REDTIGER dash cam is an excellent choice. The Vantrue N5 is a powerhouse among the best dash cams in 2025, offering 360 degrees all-around coverage. With its 4-channel recording system, it captures footage from the front, rear, and both sides, making it ideal for comprehensive surveillance. The Starvis 2 sensor enhances low-light performance, while the IR night vision ensures clarity in total darkness. Its Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control provide a user-friendly experience, and the 2.7K resolution, paired with 3 1080p cameras, guarantees detailed footage. The built-in GPS and 24-hour buffered parking mode offer added peace of mind, ensuring no event goes unnoticed. With support for up to 512 gigabyte storage, this dashcam is perfect for long trips. The Vantrue N5 sets the bar high for multi-channel dashcams. The PRUVEEO 360 degrees 4-channel dashcam is a premium choice for drivers looking for the best dashcam in 2025 with unmatched coverage. This dashcam records from the front, rear, inside, and sides, providing comprehensive protection. Its built-in GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity make tracking and sharing footage effortless. The night vision technology ensures crisp recordings even in low-light conditions, while the 24/7 parking mode offers continuous security. The included 128 gigabytes card provides ample storage right out of the box. Whether you're driving a personal vehicle or ride-sharing, this dashcam's ability to monitor all angles ensures complete peace of mind. The PRUVEEO dashcam is a must-have for anyone prioritizing safety and innovation.